You wish your game world looks like this, or this, or even this, but instead it looks like this. You are in the right place. Let me show you how to do it in just a few clicks. Go ahead and create a new project. We'll be using tools from the Procedural World pack. And no, this isn't a sponsored segment. I wish. Let's download both Gaia and Gena into the project we just created. Boom, first step complete. Then switch your project to AURP and install the necessary shaders. You will see all the required upgrade pop up, usually in the big red button in the panel. In the manager window, you will see options like biome, platform target and workflow. Don't worry too much about them. You can change everything later in any time. Just remember the word biome. We will come back to it soon. Then hit create world. We are done with the boring setup. Now let's go to the best part, building your world from the scratch. You are now looking at the preview of your world. It may not look like much yet, but you can change everything. Size, layout, even the borders of your world. Water, mountains and more. If you don't like what you see, just hit random is all to get the brand new setup. And when something finally feels right, click generate world. Just like that, your world is born. Look at these colors and the shape of your terrain is already making an impression. And this is just the beginning. You can change the entire mood of your world by adjusting things like time of day and light condition. Day, night, sunset, whatever you like. Your new world is just the beginning. You can keep expanding. Add the new region of your map using the stamp option, found in the advanced tab of the manager window. And remember, if you don't like any changes, just undo them. Also, don't forget about the powerful filters. They help your stamp blend naturally in the terrain. And of course, if you ever want to remove part of your terrain, to make space, carve out the area, refine the shape, there are tools for that also. But world isn't just a rock and water, it's the path we walk on. So let's start by placing the road around the island. Select the spline tool, then hold Ctrl and the left click to mark the path where you want your road to go. Next, we will adjust the terrain to match the road using the carve option. Apply the texture on the both sides. And just like that, your road is the part of the world. Remember the word biome I mentioned earlier? Well, now is the time to come back to it. Biome is the collection of objects that fill your world, like rock, tree, building, even entire settlements. With just one click, spawn biome. You can instantly drop all of them into your world, fully prepared and tailored to your terrain. And this is what your world looks like now. Pretty impressive, right? We can still use Unity built-in terrain tools like paint details or paint trees to customize your world even more. And now let me show you one of my favorite features, time of day. In the script included in the pack that lets you change the time of the day dynamically, along with the sky, lighting and entire mood of your world. And don't forget about the challenge. If this channel reaches 1000 subscribers, I will pick randomly one of you to name one NPC in my game. It can be your name, surname, nickname, it only depends on you. If you would like to be a part of this story, hit subscribe and wait when you reach 1000. See you in the next devlog.